Stop what you're doing. OpenAI just quietly did the thing everyone was scared of. They shipped ChatGPT Work and they dropped GPT 5.6 today, right now. And if you're not already using it by tonight, you are officially behind. This isn't hype. This is the moment the AI agent race becomes real, because for the first time, you have an agent sitting on your desktop that reads your Gmail, your Drive, your Slack, your files, your calendar, and just does the work. Not writes about the work, not summarizes the work, does the work. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with this, exactly what stocks are about to move, and exactly what to set up on your machine today. Let's go. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. We move fast, we move first, and we tell you what actually matters. So here's what happened. Overnight, OpenAI broadly released GPT 5.6, 3 tiers. Sol is the flagship, $5 per million input tokens, $30 per million output. Terra is the mid-tier at $2.50 and $15. Luna is the speed tier at $1 in, $6 out. But here is the wild part. 3 weeks ago, Luna cost $5 in, $30 out. So Luna just got 80% cheaper overnight, not 20%, 80. And OpenAI said that reason is that GPT 5.6 Sol was used to optimize its own GPU kernels and its own serving code. The model made itself cheaper to run. Read that again. The model wrote the code that reduced its own operating cost by 20% and pushed token throughput up by more than 15%. That compounded into an 80% price cut for Luna. This is a self-improving cost curve, and it is going to keep happening. At the same time, they launched ChatGPT Work. This is the piece nobody is talking about correctly. ChatGPT Work is a desktop agent for Mac and Windows that connects to your local apps and your cloud apps at the same time. It can look at your open files. It can read your Gmail. It can pull from Drive. It can join Slack channels. It can build documents from scratch by pulling context from every place your work actually lives. It's not a chatbot. It is an operator sitting inside your machine. And Meta counterpunched this same day. Mark Zuckerberg launched Meta Model API, priced at roughly 25% of what OpenAI and Anthropic charge, $1.25 per million input tokens, $4.25 per million output tokens. That's it. Muse Spark 1.1, coding-focused, benchmarks flexed as a step change from Generation 1, Anthropic pushed back with a new Claude reflection dashboard so paid users can see how they've been using the model over the past year. And Alibaba dropped Qwen 3.8 Max in China, with open weights coming next week. 4 major AI labs all shipped in one 24-hour window. This is what a boiling market looks like. Okay, enough news. Here's how you actually make money. Play number 1. This is the most obvious one, and it is the easiest $3,000 per month side business you will find this year. Small businesses right now are paying $200, $300, sometimes $400 a month for stacks of SaaS tools that ChatGPT Work now replaces in one login. Notion AI, Copilot for Microsoft, Zapier Automations, Otter for meetings, Grammarly for writing, all of it. You can walk into a local business, a dentist, a real estate office, a small law firm, a marketing agency, and offer to migrate them onto ChatGPT Work for a one-time setup fee of $1,500 to $5,000. You audit their stack, you cancel 4 subscriptions, you wire ChatGPT Work into their Gmail, their Drive, their calendar, you show them how to ask it questions about their own business, you leave, they save $6,000 a year, you made $5,000 in a weekend. Do this 3 times a month, that's $15,000 for less than 40 hours of work. LinkedIn is showing hundreds of these AI migration job postings starting to appear from small consultancies. The moment is now, not in 6 months, now. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? I read everyone, and next week I'm featuring the best story.
Number 2, the stock rotation nobody is pricing in yet. When you strip out the noise, the winners of this specific 24 hours are the pure AI infrastructure companies. Microsoft, because ChatGPT Work runs on Windows and Azure sits under the OpenAI stack. Amazon, because AWS just cleared $42.2 billion in one quarter, with cloud growing 37% year over year, the fastest in 5 years, and just crossed $3 trillion in market cap yesterday. And Meta, because the Meta Model API at 25% of the price is going to eat every backend automation workload that doesn't need frontier reasoning. Watch AMD too. AMD reports earnings after the bell today. Analysts are targeting 564 with an 18% upside because AMD's data center revenue is up 57% year over year. If AMD beats, the whole AI hardware trade re-rates. Position size accordingly. This isn't financial advice, but the setup is textbook. Now, here's your daily hack. Free takes 30 seconds. Open ChatGPT on Mac or Windows. Update to the latest version. Look for the new ChatGPT Work entry. Click it. Connect your Gmail. Connect your Google Drive. Connect your calendar. That's it. Then ask it one question. Look at my email, my calendar, and my open documents. What is the single most important thing I should do this week to move my main project forward? Read the answer. Do that one thing. That is worth more than any productivity book you will ever read. And if you're on the free tier and don't have ChatGPT Work yet, you can do a poor man's version with any Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT Plus account by manually pasting your calendar and top 3 email threads and asking the same question. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.